My name is Ryan Parker with Parker Home Renovations in New Braunfels, Texas, and today I'm going to teach you how to hire a hardwood floor contractor. Now, the first thing you need to know if you plan on putting hardwood floors in your house is that hardwood floors are actually pretty hard to take care of. You do have to clean them pretty often, and you don't want to drag anything across a hardwood floor because it may scuff or scratch. To find a good hardwood floor contractor, you could look in the phone book. And what you want to do is you want to look up hardwood floor contractors in the phone book, and you want to get a list of maybe 4 or 5 different contractors. What you'll want to do is you want to contact each one of them and ask them roundabout what their price per square foot is for labor. And then you'll want to go down to a lumber yard of some sort or a home improvement store that carries hardwood floors, and you want to get a feel of what the wood floors are going to cost you. Get references from these contractors, ask them if they're insured, ask them what type of work they do, ask them for a portfolio of some sort so you can take a look at their work. If you get a recommendation from a friend, I usually like using those better because they've used that person before and they know they do a good job. If you have any other questions, you can contact me at parkerhomerenovations.com.